Good morning YouTube and welcome back to part 5. So part 5 really is just an update. I've not been in the van for a while, I've not really touched it. A few bits have changed since the last video, but the last upload I done was quite a while ago, so I've not really done as much as I should have done. Been a bit lazy. So let me go through what I've done. So since the last video, all the cladding's up, not all of it, a lot of the cladding is up. Cladding up, built a little cupboard. Bear in mind nothing is finished yet. Everything's screwed down, screwed back, cladded around the window and that lot. Bulkhead in. It's all in and I'm just currently going through everything and giving it a bit of a mist coat. I was umming and ahhing about the colour. I have been from the start. If you was quick enough, you would have seen that I uploaded a video about 2 weeks ago, and with all this I give it the burnt effects and I was going to varnish it, and I wasn't happy with it at all. I uploaded the video, watched it back, within 5 minutes I removed it. Wasn't happy with how it looked. It was just too much in such a small area, so I thought the white would open it all up, make it look nice and clean. So the walls are going white, both sides, and the roof I was umming and ahhing about dark, like a really nice dark varnish, because it do look good. When I done the crafter before, it looked lovely, or a nice grey, a grey like that cupboard that I'm upcycling. I think I'm leaning more to the grey just because it's something different, and I've done the crafter brown, so I'm going to go for something different. That's where we are at the moment. So once I can get the ceiling painted, these bloody lights can go up because they're doing me head in just hanging there. Make a nice little door for this cupboard, bit of storage. I'm on the lookout for a sink because it's a budget build. I'm not buying brand new. I'm having a little look about at the moment for a sink, and I get a sink put in that. And even maybe tile a little area. I don't know. You know me, I just build as I go after time. But yeah, like I say, today is literally just a quick progress video on how it's going. So I am going to crack on mist coating everything. Right, so the mist coat's on. I've done quite a few bits today, little bits off camera obviously, but we got a little mist coat of white going, and this is what we got. Like I say, it was only going to be a quick progress video just to let you know where we are at the moment, where we stand. Bed slats, I'll get bed slats next week, get the mattress on there. It will start looking like a bit of a camper van then, once I start getting it all going. Like I say, this is being upcycled, sink's going in. I've got to make a door for this. Kirsty's bringing me a tea, and off we go. So yeah, that's what we got at the moment. So as always, thanks for watching. Say hi, Kirst.
Hi.
And I'm off for my cup of tea.